Hi everyone, I'm Chef Mary from Cilantro Culinary Academy, one of the largest culinary and patisserie school in Malaysia. Today we're going to do a Verrine dessert. It contains 5 layers of the dessert. So we will start with the vanilla genoa. Alright, so these are the ingredients. We have flour, whole eggs, sugar, vanilla essence, and oil. So we start with the eggs and sugar. Okay, eggs and sugar first. Whip it up until the ribbon stage. Once it's already in ribbon stage or double up the size, now we have to fold in the flour. So we mix into it and fold. Fold, So this is how you fold. It's not mixing, okay? Folding. Once it's already combined, then we can add in your essence and the oil. So now after we mix everything evenly, then we deposit into the baking tray. Okay, by using the ankle spatula, flatten it evenly. Okay, once it flattens, then it will look like this. All even. Then now we have to bake in the oven, top and bottom heat, 180 degrees for 20 minutes. While waiting for the genoa to bake, so we start with the red velvet sponge. So here are the ingredients. There are 3 parts of the ingredient here. So this is part A, for creaming method. Buttermilk, part B, and also the part C is the baking soda and vinegar. Alright. So since we need to rest the buttermilk for 15 minutes, so now I mix the milk first with the vinegar, then we ferment it for 15 minutes. Just mix together. Okay, leave it for 15 minutes aside, and we start to do the creaming method. Okay. Butter here. We start with the butter. Right, followed by the sugar. And the salt. So just now when we do the genoa, we are using whisk, if you remember. So when you're dealing with butter and sugar, you have to use paddle. Cream the butter and sugar. Alright, then followed by the eggs and the essence. And the last one is the dry ingredient. Alright, so when the butter and the sugar is already cream, a bit whitish in color, so we have to do the next part is to mix the cocoa powder and the flour together. Mix it up first. Make sure you sieve the flour and the cocoa powder, to prevent lumps. Then we add in the eggs portion by portion. Until it combines. Why you need portion by portion? Because you want to prevent it from splitting. So you need portion by portion. Okay, then you can add in the vanilla essence. followed by the dry ingredient. The buttermilk we will add in after the dry ingredient. Always remember, when you add in the dry ingredient, you have to go for first speed. All dry ingredient go in. Until it well combined. Alright, so the next one is you have to dilute the baking soda with the vinegar. And when the buttermilk is ready, you stir it with the red coloring. Then only we mix into the chocolate batter. Bit by bit, yeah. After it combines, then only you pour again the milk. Do not pour everything inside, then it will split. Yeah. Okay, then lastly we add in the vinegar and the baking soda. Just fold in. Then deposit onto the baking tray. Flatten it on the baking tray, 180 degrees for 25 minutes. Now the third part is the mango jelly. So we have mango puree here, sugar, gelatin and water. Yeah, so the gelatin and the water, you have to mix it up first. Okay, and let it set as a gelatin solution. Simmer the mango puree and also the sugar. Okay, sugar go in. Once the sugar already diluted, yeah, then we add in the gelatin solution. You see, gelatin solution means it's already like rubber, like that. Yeah, just add in and stir until the gelatin melted. After everything already blend together, then we deposit into the mold around 80% to the mold and freeze it for half an hour. So the next one is the clear jelly, yeah, for the topping. Okay, so we need water, sugar and gelatin solution. So we boil the water first and sugar. And add in the gelatin solution. So for this jelly, you need to let it cool until 13 degrees. Then only you can apply into the verrine. Yeah. So it needs around 15 minutes to chill it. Okay, when we're done, just deposit into the bowl and chill it for 15 minutes. Okay, so now we're making the chantilly cream. So we need dairy cream and also sugar, whip it up, and later we will combine with the non-dairy cream, yeah, to make it firmer and stable before we pipe into the verrine. Okay, so you add in the dairy cream first, followed by the sugar. Whip it up until soft peak first to prevent curdling. These are the texture for the cream just now. And now we have to whip the non-dairy cream and mix into the dairy cream to make it stable. So now I'm going to show you how to cut the fruits here to assemble into the glass dessert. So you have the strawberry here. Just slice it into 4. Alright, so the kiwi you have to cut 4. You see? Then you slice it. Yeah, you need to slice some of the fruits like this and some into cubes for the topping. Mango as well. And cut cubes. So now we're going to assemble it. So here are the finished product. Yeah, this is the vanilla genoa, red velvet sponge, mango jelly, clear gel, and also the chantilly cream. Alright, so first, what are we going to do is to put in the genoa first. Yeah. Then followed by arranging the strawberry and the kiwi at the side of the verrine. Once you arrange all the fruits at the side, then you pipe the chantilly cream in the center. Pipe half first, and then you take the mango jelly, place it in the center of the cream. Then you pipe another layer of the cream from the side to the center. So now, another layer of the red velvet sponge on top of the cream. Freeze it for a while, then only we put a layer of the gel, the clear jelly. After we chill it for 15 minutes, yeah, so you can apply the gel, the clear jelly. Yeah, remember the temperature have to be 13 degrees before you pour on top of the red velvet sponge. Okay, so you go one round, make sure it covers the sponge. And you arrange the fruits on top. Okay, so you have strawberry, mango, and kiwi. Alright, so we finish up with another layer of the clear jelly on top to cover the fruits. Okay, then it's done. So you have to chill it for another 15 to 20 minutes before you serve. So this is our dessert for today, red velvet fruit jelly. Alright, so this is the end of the session. So hope you enjoy and learn something from this video. So if you want to know more about our program, you can message us on our Facebook. Alright, thank you. Bye.